You need to hear before you invest another dollar into AI or crypto. You need to hear about the DeepSeek AI coin. It's a new revolution brewing at the intersection of blockchain and artificial intelligence. And DeepSeek is quietly positioning itself to become a major player. Now you have probably heard a lot of hype around AI tokens recently, but most of them pure speculation. No real products, no real teams. But today we're looking at a different project, a project that's built by an actual AI engineers, people who work inside giants like Tencent, Baidu, and Google, people who saw the problems inside big tech and decided to do something about it. In this video, I'm breaking down what exactly DeepSeek AI coin is and the backstory of it, the real numbers like its current market cap and supply, whether it's actually built for long-term success or just another shiny project that will disappear. No hype, no guessing games, just a clear, honest breakdown that you won't regret. You won't get anywhere else. So, if you're serious about catching early opportunities in crypto and AI, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in. So, what is actually this DeepSeek AI coin is? DeepSeek AI is a decentralized AI platform aiming to merge large language models like LLMs with blockchain transparency. It's designed to offer AI services like chatbot APIs, generative AI tools, and decentralized compute power without being controlled by big tech. And their motto is democratize AI for everyone. Basically, open, decentralized AI plus crypto incentives for contributors. So, yes. Point number two is the history. History of DeepSeek AI came onto the radar in early 2024 when a group of ex-Tencent, Baidu, and Google AI engineers left their companies to build something open source and community driven. The idea sparked after OpenAI's licensing debates. DeepSeek wants AI models truly owned by the users. Their token launched shortly after their model, DeepSeek LLM, was released, a competitor aiming to rival the GPT 3.5 level models, which is fully decentralized. Number three, market cap and circulating supply. As of April 2025, the total market cap is $120 million, which is quite low, which is still quite low. And the circulating supply of this token is 320 million DSK tokens out of 1 billion max supply. So max supply is 1 billion. Already 320 million tokens, DSK tokens are already in the market. Top exchanges of this token is KuCoin, Gate.io, and currently moving toward Binance listing rumors. Note, early stage projects like this often see wild volatility. So stay sharp while investing on it. At number four, what makes this DeepSeek AI different? Here are some unique points. It is decentralized AI training, which is community nodes contributing computing power, computing all of the powers. Number two is the reward system. Node operators and contributors on the DSK tokens. Number three is transparency. Every model update is documented and audited on the chain, which is actually pretty impressive. Number four is developer SDKs. Easy to build AI apps powered by DeepSeek models is a huge push for adoption, believe me or not. Last but not least, the future potential. Is it worth watching? DeepSeek is still in its early growth phase, but here's what gives it an edge. First one is rising distrust of centralized AI models is pushing demand for open source solutions. Number two, is DeFi and AI merging is a massive narrative going into 2025 or 6. We can predict that because in recent times AI is a lot of tech companies is leaning towards the AI. So we can see in future the DeFi and AI merge will be massive advantage for us. And by the way, you can't ignore the April's traffic explosion. In April, DeepSeek's site traffic exploded literally 24,750% from on an average 2,000 visitors to nearly 500,000 visitors. And why? Because they open sourced their code, letting developers build custom AI tools. But here's the kicker: 80% of this traffic came from Fortune 500 companies. This is not a hype, it's an enterprise adoption, which is actually great for an new AI website like this. And by the way, the second coin of this DeepSeek is DeepSeek AI, which has the total market cap of 25.64 thousand, and the total supply is 24.06 p DeepSeek. And another thing that we can't ignore is the self-reported supply. 42.09 p is DeepSeek's self-reported similarity supply, a measure of how unique their AI is versus competitors. For scale, ChatGPT has 35p, Gemini has 38. On the other hand, DeepSeek has 42.09. And by the way, if you don't know what is this, P means, it means the higher the number is, the harder it is to replicate. This is not just a code, it's a moat. And in AI, moats means monopoly potential. So, should you invest it? DeepSeek's a gamble. But here's my take. Buy if you believe efficient AI beats flashy AI long term. Avoid if volatility keeps you at night. Personally, I'm watching their Q2 partnerships. If they nail enterprise deals, this $25 million cap could, if not, well, at least they're debt free. DeepSeek's playing chess like while others play chess. So last one is real tech with real utility. They have a working LLM already, not just a white paper promises. So we can have a trust in on them. But yeah, however, remember, early AI blockchain projects either moon or burn. So it's a high risk, high reward type of investment. If DeepSeek captures even 1 or 2% of the decentralized AI market, the upside is gonna be huge. All right. Now you know exactly what DeepSeek coin is, where it's come from, and what's the future could look like. The big question is, are you ready to play the long game? Because the people who understood Bitcoin early, the ones who understood Ethereum early, they were not just looking at the price chart. They understood the technology. They understood the movement. And they positioned themselves before the masses woke up. Maybe DeepSeek AI will be one of those stories, but maybe it won't. But if you're watching this video, you are already ahead of 99% of people who aren't even paying attention yet. Now, I want to hear it from you. Are you bullish or decentralized AI? Do you believe projects like DeepSeek can really compete with the giant like OpenAI and Anthropic? Drop your thoughts down below. Let's build a smarter community together. And if you got any value from this deep dive, smash that like button to help more people discover real, no fluff content. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we have got a lot more ground to cover in the next videos. Stay sharp, stay curious, and always be early, not late. See you in the next one.